In this video, I'll show you how to change your gamertag on the Xbox app on your mobile. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Xbox application, and if you don't already have this installed, you can download it for free on the App Store. Then click on your profile icon in the top left hand side, and then click on the cog icon to bring up the settings in the top right menu. Scroll right down to the bottom, and in the support and feedback section, you need to click on Help Topics. Then select Manage your account and profile, and scroll down and select how to change your Xbox gamertag. Then we just need to scroll down to the section where it says ways to change your gamertag, and from here you need to select on the web. Now in order to change your gamertag, you just need to press the choose your new gamertag button, and that's going to go ahead and take you over to the Microsoft website, and you may need to relog back into your Xbox account. Now in this field here, just type in the new username that you want to use for your Xbox gamertag, and once you're happy with the new name, you can select check availability. If the gamertag is available, then you'll be able to change it and it will show you what it will look like on the Xbox app. Now, do bear in mind you're only able to change your Xbox gamertag once for free, and then after that, you'll likely have to pay for it. So because this is my first time ever changing it, I can just select change gamertag and finally confirm by pressing change gamertag. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.